Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Outlook mobile app. Make sure you are signed into the account whose photo you want to change. Tap your profile circle in the top left to open the sidebar, and then tap again on the profile area to enter your account settings. Once done, check that the correct email address is displayed. This avoids changing the wrong identity. If you have multiple accounts, select the right one now. This ensures the following steps apply to the intended profile. Now you change the image itself. Tap the current avatar or initials and choose Change Photo. You can take a new photo with camera or pick one from your photo library. Choose the highest resolution for clarity. Crop and position the image inside the circular frame. You want your face centered and not too small. After you confirm the selection, Outlook uploads and syncs the image to your account. Give it a minute so servers propagate the update. Finish by verifying the photo appears across the app and in a sent message. Send a quick test email to confirm how recipients see you. If the image doesn't update, force close Outlook, clear the app cache, or sign out and sign back in to trigger a fresh sync. Make sure to check whether this is a work account. Exchange or Active Directory often enforces profile images centrally, which prevents local changes. If so, contact your IT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.